Dear friends, I hope this video finds you well. If you've seen any of my other videos, you already know that I collect mini brand toys and miniature room kits. But today I wanted to show you something a little different. I also collect refrigerator magnets. And I just wanted to share a few that I have with you and just show another part of me, I guess. So these are from my trip to New Orleans. I purchased them for myself. I did not plan to give them to anyone else. I were I was trying to figure out gifts for my friends at work at the time, like souvenirs. And I saw these and I was like, oh my God, I'm keeping these for myself. So this is the first one. It looks like a Mardi Gras mask. And I love it a lot. If anyone knows me, they know I love New Orleans. Yes, I've only gone one time, but anytime that I see a video about New Orleans, I just love everything about it. The accent, the culture, the second lines. I love all of that stuff. So I always tell people I live there in another life. And this is another one. I could not leave this one. The saxophone and then the jazz band, because New Orleans is all about jazz as well. And then I love this one. I love the 3D effects on this one. I love that a lot. So of course, I had to get it. And this one, I don't know. This one just called to me a lot. It really did. I love the, it looked very country, very not like you would normally see. Normally, when you go to a place, you visit, you see like their attractions, and this is like the heart of just regular life to me. That's kind of like how I looked at it. Okay. And the rest of these are some that people gave to me. So this one was very cute. This one is a wedding invitation or an announcement, I should say. And I thought that was just a cute, great idea. Just love that a lot. And this one, a friend of mine, we worked together. She got this for me, her trip to Mexico. This is Frida, the painter. God, I can't think of her last name. Frida Kahlo. I know I messed that up. Forgive me for that, but she gave me this and I loved it. I loved it a lot. It's so beautiful. Then, of course, I think a supervisor of mine at my old job, she gave me this on her trip to Jamaica. I thought this was very cute, and I was happy that it was a refrigerator magnet and a bottle opener. I thought that was very cool. This one, I can't remember exactly who gave me this one. But again, I've had this one for a very, very long time. Again, it was from someone from work. But again, I love this reminds me of the London Bridge is falling down, falling down. That's what I think about every time I see this. Every time I see this, that's what I think about. So, these next two magnets came from good friend Renard, my best friend's husband, and I'm very great friends with him as well. And he got this for me on his trip to Belgrade. And he's always traveling, going to different places. He went to Serbia. He's gone to, I want to say he went to, did he? No, he didn't go to Cairo. He just go to different places in the world. And I know he went to Italy. Just he just goes all over places. And you're like, you're going where? Places you haven't even heard of sometime. But yeah, he gave me that. And another place he went to, and that's Iceland. Yeah, he gave me that when he came back. And people give me refrigerator magnets, and I put them on my refrigerator. I love them. And these I purchased in a bookstore one time. They are like poem magnets, poetry magnets. So it came when I purchased it, it came with all these words. And this is like the loved one, the love kid. They had different themed kits, and I got the love one, of course, and of course it's red, so I had to get it And you could just do poetry on your refrigerator. So you have words like magnificent, and this is just a few of them. Delicious, just different words. And you can just stick them all over the place, or you can create poetry, you can create sentences, you can just stick the words randomly on your refrigerator. And I did that all the time. I always created sentences and poems and so many things. And I just, when I had my old apartment before moving. And yeah, it was so much fun. So I'm going to link I saw some at on Amazon, I should say. I'm going to link it in the description. It's not this set, but it's another set. So I'll link it in case someone wants to purchase that. So that's it. I'm going to get a closer look of all the magnets. One last look. One last look. I'm trying to think which is my favorite. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Because each one of the New Orleans pieces they're special in their own way. Okay. And then you have the Frida piece. So if I had to choose, I gotta go with Frida. It's just beautiful artwork. Beautiful, beautiful artwork. So that is my favorite one of this collection. And I plan to collect more. I hope you liked this video. Please leave a comment and tell me which one you like the most. Please share, like, and if you aren't subscribed, please subscribe. I'm gonna do another. I also collect shot glasses, and so I want to share my collection of shot glasses with you guys. It's a whole lot more than what this is. This is just like, I'm beginning to collect. I've been collecting shot glasses for a while, and it's a small collection, but it's big to me. So I'm definitely want to share that with you guys. So again, please like, share, and subscribe. Comment, let me know which one do you like the most. And until next time, please be well.